To download Unity, you need to go to www.unity.com, then click download. It will take you to the download page. I'm using Windows, so it will show download for Windows. So I will click it. It will start to download the Unity Hub. I have already downloaded it, so I will just stop the download and open it. Once you open it, it will show the projects page. It will show no projects yet, but you still cannot create projects because you don't have any Unity installation. So you need to install a version of Unity. So you need to click installs. I already have here another version of Unity, which is 2020. For this course we are going to use 2022.3. so you need to click install editor. It will show the current LTS versions that are available right now. 2020, 2021, 2022 are the LTS versions available. If you want to download an older version of Unity, you need to click archive, then download archive. It will take you to the Unity download archive page where you can download older versions of Unity like 2022.3, 2021.3.27. For older versions of Unity, the LTS version was 0.4, like 2019.4, 2018.4, and so on. So we will go ahead and download 2022.3.3. We will go back to Unity Hub, official releases, then install. You need to mark Microsoft Visual Studio Community because it will save you much time in writing code. Also, since we are going to build a game for Android, so we are going to select Android build support, which will select also OpenJDK and Android SDK and NDK tools. This it has also other build supports like iOS, Linux, Mac, Universal Windows Platform, WebGL for Windows when you are building games for the web. So right now we are going to select Android build support and Microsoft Visual Studio Community and click continue. Then you will need to agree for the terms for Visual Studio as well as for the Android SDK and NDK. The download will start, and after this, after it's complete, then the installation will start. I will skip through the download and installation. Now the download has been complete. It will start the installation. I will skip through the installation as well. Now to install Visual Studio Installer, I'll just click continue. Now Visual Studio is a very powerful tool for editing the C# scripts. I recommend using it. It will make your life much easier when developing games in Unity. For this you will need to select game development with Unity. It will add all the workloads that you will need to start coding C# in Unity, and click install. I will skip through the installation as well. After the installation is complete, Microsoft Visual Studio will open. You can skip for now. You can select the theme. I will stick with the dark theme. You can continue without code to open Visual Studio directly. This is like a readme file. You can close it. For now you can close Visual Studio Code, Visual Studio Community. Now the Unity installation has been completed. You can see here that 2022.3.3f is already in the list of the Unity installs that you have. Now to create a project, you need to click on New Project. You can select the type of the project, whether 2D, 3D, 2D URP, which is Universal Rendering Pipeline, mobile. All these are templates that come loaded with certain packages that you will need to develop certain types of games. Now we will start with the 3D core. You can name the project and select the folder, the location folder. I will name this one first project. Then click create project. It will start creating the project, load all the files that it needs. And now Unity will open. Here you can show the project file, the project folder in the Explorer. The folder of the projects contains multiple folders. Most important is the assets. Assets folder contains all the assets that you will be using in your project. Right now it has only one folder, which is scenes, but later on when you add more assets, they will all show here. In the next lecture we will start using Unity, and I will explain to you the buttons and the panels of Unity. See you then.